Chapter 12, Lesson 1, Heat, Review. Okay, look at the situation. A candle is placed on a steel block. It's a candle with a steel block and begins to melt. How do you know whether the candle or the steel block is hotter? What could you imagine? Okay, according about how the heat travels. How do you know whether the candle or the steel block is hotter? Okay, so we have the heat mass flood into a candle in order for it to melt. So if heat is flowing into the candle, it must be cooler than the steel block. Let's go with the next one. Situation. An infrared image of a house shows that the roof is brighter than the rest of the house. What does this mean? Okay, here I didn't find a picture where the roof is brighter than the rest. But here in that image that you have here in the presentation, we can guess maybe that the sun is in this side. But according to the situation that it said that the roof is brighter than the rest of the house, what does it mean? Okay, test close. In conclusion, I want that you write in your notebook the chart, the test close, what data do we have about this situation? Okay, we have that the roof is radiating more heat energy. So for that reason, we can tell that the convection currents inside keep running hot air to the roof. So the roof may be heated by radiation from the sun. Because if you remember, what is the convection? The convection is the flow of a thermal energy through a liquid or a gas caused by hot parts rising and cold parts sinking. So in this case, we can guess that the roof may be heated by the radiation from the sun. Just to finish, review. I wanted to study the concepts for the next practice test that I'm going to put at the end of the lesson from these chapters. But first, start to study if you have enough time at home. Okay, so we have the words conduction, thermal conductivity, and heat. The first one is the ability of a material to transfer heat. You can check in your notes if you don't remember and write the answer. The second one is thermal energy that flows between objects due to a difference in temperature. That is the most important concept. What is the answer? Try to guess. The next one is the passing of heat through a material while material itself stays in place. Are you ready? Okay, first, copy, paste the video, set your time, and write the answer. Because then I'm going to tell you what is the correct one. Okay, set your time, paste the video. You be ready, let's check your answer. The first one was thermal conductivity, then heat, and the last one, conduction. Okay, identify in your notebook the keywords for these concepts. You can underline the words that you consider important according to your opinion. Okay, let's continue. You put this is the number 4. Yes, right, number 4. Is the transfer of energy through electromagnetic rays. It is very easy. We Read the situation before. The next one is the flow of thermal energy through a liquid or gas, which is caused by hot parts rising and cold parts sinking. What is? Did you remember? And the last one is a measurement of the average kinetic energy of particles in an object. Okay, set your time, pause the video, and copy the questions, and you can check in your notebook. But try not to do this because remember that we are studying this information. So try to learn by heart all as you can. When you be ready, let's check. Okay, now I'm going to tell you the correct answer. First one, yes, it was radiation, because we have the keywords here that it can be electromagnetic rays. Okay, the next one is convection. Yes, that's correct. And the last one, temperature. Temperature. Okay. So until here we finish. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Do all your activities and wait for the homework. See you in the next one. Bye bye.